Hello everyone. Are you looking to advance your career in cloud computing? Then this video is for you. Today we are going to explore our Azure Administrative Training Program covering everything you need to know about the course, certifications, job opportunities and much more. Let's get started. What is Azure Admin Training? Azure Admin Training is designed to prepare you with the skills to manage and optimize Microsoft Azure environments. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced IT professional, this program prepares you to handle real-world scenarios, making you job ready. At Brolly Academy, we provide a structured, hands-on training program that's designed to meet industry needs. Course overview. Our course ranges between 4 to 6 weeks and you get to choose between online classes, video courses or corporate training options. We prepare you for 2 globally recognized certifications, Azure 104 and Azure Administrator and Azure 900 Azure Fundamentals for the best jobs in the cloud computing field. This means you will gain both theoretical knowledge and practical experience to tackle real-world challenges confidently. Why choose Brolly Academy? Brolly Academy offers you expert trainers and industry professionals with years of experience in Azure training. With us, you get to work with live projects and case studies helping you with more practical exposure. You get lifetime access to our course materials and recorded sessions with our dedicated placement support team helping you with job search strategies, interview prep and salary negotiations. You get to land the best job available in the industry. Plus, we offer a free demo session to help you get an understanding on our teaching structure before enrolling. Upon completing our Azure Admin training, you'll master Cloud Infrastructure Management is where you can learn to deploy and manage Azure resources like virtual machines, storage and networks. Networking and security helps you to configure VNets, firewalls and ensure resources security with Azure Security Center. Automation is to automate repetitive tasks using PowerShell, Azure CLI and ARM templates. Identity and access management. It enables your employees to log in and access external resources. Backup and disaster recovery ensures business continuity with Azure Backup and Azure Site Recovery. Tools covered in training. Azure Portal, which is used to manage resources using the intuitive web interface. PowerShell and Azure CLI. It automates tasks and streamline resource management. Azure Monitor. It helps you to track performance metrics and resolve issues. Azure Active Directory is used to secure user access and implement RBAC. These tools are integral to mastering Azure administration and ensuring you're prepared for real-world challenges. Certifications. Our training prepares you for Azure 900 Azure Fundamentals. It is perfect for beginners covering core concepts like cloud services, workloads, and security. Azure 104 Azure Administrator, a professional level certification focusing on managing and monitoring Azure environments. Additionally, you will receive an Azure Admin certificate from Brolly Academy recognized by top employers. Career opportunities. One of the best things about Azure Admin training is the career potential. After completing the course, you can explore roles like Azure Administrator, Cloud Architect, DevOps Engineer. Some of the top companies hiring Azure certified professionals in Hyderabad include Microsoft, TCS, Infosys, Wipro, and Capgemini. Placement support. At Brolly Academy, we provide end-to-end placement assistance. Our support includes resume building and LinkedIn profile optimization, mock interviews with real-time feedback, access to exclusive job portals and hiring events. Thank you for watching. If you're ready to kickstart your journey in cloud computing, enroll in the Azure Admin training at Brolly Academy today. For more details, reach out to our support team on 8186 844 555.